Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate your Indigo Mastercard online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your preferred web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in Activate Indigo Mastercard and press enter. When it comes to activating your Indigo Mastercard, you can either go ahead and do it online or over the phone by calling on this number. To do it online, simply go ahead and enter indigo.myfinanceservice.com/activate and press enter. Doing so will take you to this page. It'll tell you to log in into your secure server. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your username and password. If you would like to register for a new account, click on register your account, and if you are doing it for the first time, you can choose if you have your MasterCard. If you do, click on this yes, I have my card number. If not, choose no and enter the rest of the information. To register your card and activate it online, go ahead and select this yes option and enter your credit card number, which is 16-digit long. After you do that, on the next field, provide your date of birth information and finally enter your social security number. After you are done, click on continue to next step and then follow through the prompts till the end in order to activate your Indigo Mastercard online. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.